In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Typeform. Branding your form with your logo helps people recognize and trust your content right away, and the process is quick. Start by opening your Typeform account in a browser. Any modern browser works fine. Just make sure you're logged in and connected to a stable internet connection so your changes save properly. Once you're in, click on the form you want to edit. If you have multiple forms, double-check the title or thumbnail so you're editing the correct one. This will open the form editor, where you can make design and content changes. Now look to the top menu and click Design. This is where Typeform keeps appearance settings such as colors, fonts, backgrounds, and the logo option. Give the page a second to load if it's your first time opening the design panel for that form. Inside the design options, you'll see a plus sign that lets you add additional design elements. Click the plus sign to reveal more choices. Next, look for Logo or Add Logo. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version, but it will clearly refer to adding a logo to the form. Click Upload and then select your logo file from your computer. For best results, a high-quality PNG with a transparent background usually looks clean on most themes. Avoid excessively large files so the form loads quickly for your audience. If you have multiple versions of your logo, pick one that has enough contrast with your form's background color. After the upload, you'll be able to adjust the size or position if needed. Use the available controls to scale the logo so it's visible but not overwhelming. Aim for a balance where the logo complements your content without crowding the interface. If positioning options are available, choose a placement that aligns with your brand style and make sure it doesn't obscure any important text. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. This step is important to make sure your changes are applied and stored. If you don't see the save confirmation right away, give it a moment and ensure your internet connection is steady. Your logo will now appear on your Typeform. You should see it reflected in the editor, and it will be visible to respondents once the form is live. If the logo doesn't show immediately, try refreshing the editor view after saving. That's it. You've successfully added your logo to your Typeform, giving your form a branded professional finish that helps create a consistent experience for your audience.